Hi everyone, welcome back to BTech 360. So JOSA Round 5 results are going to be announced tomorrow, and this is the final chance for students who are aiming for IITs. But for students who would like to take admission in NITs and IIITs, you have another chance, which is the CSEP counseling. Once the JOSA counseling is done, all the leftover seats would be transferred into the CSEP counseling. Now, we had previously done a video where we had discussed the category-wise cutoff for CSE and the allied branches in NITs. Now, if you haven't watched the video, first you should go and check out that video. And in case you're checking out for IIITs, then in this particular video, I'm going to give you the category-wise cutoff. Whatever your category is, general, OBC, SC, ST, EWS, we are going to discuss the category-wise cutoff for CSE and its allied branches in all IIITs. So this would give you a clear idea into what IIIT you can take admission and which is the best IIIT for you based on your rank. Also, this information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities and ranked among the top 3% globally. Now, before moving ahead, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you are ever stuck in any of the counseling, whether it's JOSA counseling, CSEP counseling, or any private college counseling, we have a helpline number for you. All you need to do is text BTech on 813-037-6334. This is a dedicated number from Career 360. Once you reach out, a senior counselor from our team will reach out to you and will make sure that all your queries are resolved. So now let's discuss the main thing. So what we are going to do is we have all the IIITs listed here, and we have the CSE or the allied branches, whatever they have, whether they have artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, IT, all CSE and allied branches of that particular IIIT is listed here. And then in front of this, we have the category-wise ranks. So all we need to do is take a look at this. And this is arranged according to the level of competition. That is, which IIIT has the highest cutoff. And as we move forward, you will see that the cutoff is dropping. So let's start with the first or the most competitive IIIT's branch, which is IIIT Allahabad with branch BTech IT Business Informatics. Here in open category, last year, it closed at 3,632 rank. Now you will see that the EWS, OBC, NCL and the ST column is blank. So this means there is no separate entry or no separate cutoff for these three categories. Whereas in case of the SC category, the highest closing rank for this particular branch in the year 2025, that is last year, it was 56,306 rank. Let's move forward. The next is IIIT Allahabad, same institute but a different branch, BTech Information Technology, Simple IT. So here in open category, this branch closed at 6.9K. Now what we are going to do is, since majority students belong to the open category, we are going to discuss the open category ranks in detail. The other category students, what they can do is, they can take a screenshot of each individual slide that I am going to present. So in IIIT Hyderabad, IT branch closed at 6.9K. Further, we have IIIT Lucknow, BTech Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence, AI branch. So here it closed at 9.9K. This is the highest closing rank. Then IIIT Lucknow, BTech Computer Science, last year it closed at 10.4K. The next is Atal Bihari Vajpayee IIIT and Management, which is situated in Gwalior. The branch is BTech CSE, and in open category last year it closed at 11.2K. Then IIIT Lucknow, BTech Computer Science and Business. The highest closing rank for open category was 13.1K. Next, IIIT Lucknow, BTech Information Technology. Highest closing rank for open category is 13.2K. Then again, we have IIIT in Gwalior, BTech Mathematics and Scientific Computing. The open category highest closing rank is 14.4K. So these were the top IIITs and the most competitive branches in them. The next one is IIIT Gwalior, again BTech and MTech Information Technology. So this is a dual degree, and the open category highest cutoff for this particular branch was 14.7K. Next is IIIT Gwalior but BTech and MBA in Information Technology. Highest closing rank 17.6K. Then IIIT Pune BTech CSE branch, highest closing rank is 27.9K. Next is IIIT Sri City BTech CSE. Here the highest closing rank is 29.04K. Next is IIIT Nagpur BTech Computer Science Engineering, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. So here AI and ML is the specialization, and the highest closing rank is 30.3K. Next, again we have Sri City BTech Artificial Intelligence and Data Science this time. Open category highest closing rank 30.4K. Next is IIIT Kota BTech Computer Science Engineering. Open category highest cutoff 13.4K. Next is IIIT Bhopal BTech CSE with Artificial Intelligence, and the highest closing rank is 34,325. Moving ahead, Okay, one more thing that you need to remember is all the ranks that we are discussing are the JEE main rank, right? Only for IITs we use JEE advanced rank. For NITs and IIITs, whenever we discuss a rank, it's always the JEE main rank. So let's move ahead. Next is IIIT Surat BTech CSE Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Open category highest closing rank is 35.4K. Next is IIIT Nagpur BTech CSE. Open category highest cutoff 35.5K. IIIT Bhopal BTech CSE 35.5K. IIIT Vadodara BTech CSE 36.5K. IIIT Surat BTech CSE 36.9K. Then IIIT Nagpur BTech Computer Science Engineering, Data Science and Analytics. Here the open category highest cutoff is 37.6K. IIIT Kota BTech Artificial Intelligence and Data Engineering, highest category cutoff 37.7K for open category. Then IIIT Bhopal BTech CSE with Data Science, open category highest cutoff 38.4K. Moving ahead, next is IIIT Kottayam BTech CSE with specialization Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, open category highest cutoff 39.5K. Then IIIT Tiruchirappalli BTech CSE, open category highest cutoff 39.6K. IIIT Sonipat BTech CSE, open category highest cutoff 41.4K. IIIT Tiruchirappalli BTech Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, open category highest cutoff 41.7K. IIIT Vadodara BTech Artificial Intelligence, open category highest cutoff 41.8K. Then IIIT Surat BTech CSE but with cyber security, open category highest cutoff 42.35K. IIIT Vadodara BTech Information Technology, open category highest cutoff 43.5K. IIIT Bhopal BTech CSE with cyber security, the same goes as above, open category highest cutoff 43.5K. Next, IIIT Nagpur BTech Computer Science Engineering, Human Computer Interaction and Gaming Technology. This is a new branch. Here the open category highest cutoff is 43.9K. IIIT Ranchi BTech CSE with specialization of Data Science and Artificial Intelligence honors degree. Here open category highest cutoff 45.0K. IIIT Una BTech CSE with Data Science, open category highest cutoff 45.7K. IIIT Bhopal BTech Mathematics and Computing, open category highest cutoff 46.5K. IIIT Una BTech CSE with Cyber Security, open category highest cutoff 47.1K. Then IIIT Kalyani BTech CSE Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, highest cutoff 48.6K. IIIT Sonipat BTech CSE with Data Science and Analytics, highest category cutoff for open 49.2K. IIIT Bhopal BTech CSE with Cyber Physical System, open category highest cutoff 49.48K. Next is IIIT Kottayam BTech CSE, open category highest cutoff 50.2K. IIIT Bhopal BTech Information Technology IT branch, open category highest cutoff 51.7K. IIIT Sonipat BTech IT, open category cutoff 52.3K. IIIT Kottayam BTech CSE with specialization in cyber security, open category highest cutoff 55.9K. IIIT Dharwad BTech CSE, open category highest cutoff 56.8K. IIIT Ranchi BTech CSE honors degree, open category highest cutoff 57.2K. IIIT Bhagalpur BTech CSE, open category highest cutoff 60.2K. Then IIIT Dharwad BTech Data Science and Artificial Intelligence, open category highest cutoff 62.15K. Next is IIIT Kalyani BTech CSE, open category highest cutoff 62.2K. IIIT Vadodara International Campus DIU Campus, BTech CSE, open category highest cutoff 64.4K. IIIT Kalyani BTech CSE Cyber Security, open category highest cutoff 64.9K. IIIT Raichur BTech CSE, open category highest cutoff 65.5K. IIIT Ranchi BTech Mathematics and Computing, open category highest cutoff 65.7K. IIIT Bhagalpur BTech Mathematics and Computing, open category highest cutoff 68.6K. Then IIIT Vadodara International Campus, same BTech Artificial Intelligence this time, open category highest cutoff 70.2K. IIIT Raichur BTech Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, open category highest cutoff 70.38K. So we have reached till 70,000 rank. Then now we have one more college left, which is IIIT Raichur's BTech Mathematics and Computing branch, and the open category highest cutoff is 74,623. So these were the category-wise highest closing rank for all the IIITs CSE and its allied branches. Now we have discussed all the open category ranks in detail for all the other category students. For example, if you belong to EWS, OBC, NCL, SC or ST category, then the ranks that are mentioned here are the all India ranks. These are not your category specific rank. Make sure when you calculate your rank, the rank that you are using is the all India rank or the CRL, common rank list. Now based on this, you'll have an idea which college and which branch you should target based on your rank. So this was the whole analysis of BTech CSE and its allied branches cut off in triple ITs. In the similar way, if you want to check out for NITs, you can check out our channel at BTech 360. And that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.